Hi, I'm Michelle Gibbings. I was chatting to a client recently who was making a really big decision, and I asked them what process they were using to help them make the decision. They hadn't even thought about it. That's not unusual. Most people make decisions randomly. They don't give a lot of thought to the process they're using. This is dangerous, primarily because we're biased. It's just the way our brain works. And because we're biased, it's very easy to make poor decisions. I love helping people find a better way, a way to structure out the bias so they can make a better decision and build more engaged teams through the process. It's all about your mindset, the process you use, your leadership, and how you involve different opinions. If you'd like to know more about good decision making, feel free to get in touch.